NATO terminals, which were shut down due to terrorist attacks, are once again made functional. But their reopening has again attracted the attention of terrorists, with incidents of oil tankers blowing up gaining momentum. Once again, the oil tanker carrying oil to the NATO forces in Afghanistan has been targeted by the militants in Hazar Khani area of Peshawar. According to police, magnet bomb has been used in this blast. Most of the people think tankers are hit by the militants only because it supplies fuel to the US allied forces in Afghanistan.
सबसे ज़्यादा जो मुतासर होते हैं गरीब अवाम मुतासर होते हैं और ये जो है ना जब तक जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान है चाहे प्रोविंशियल हो या ईमानदारी से कोई स्टेप ना ले तो सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता कि ये धमाके ख़त्म हो.
But there is another version of the story. Some people think that the owners of these tankers are involved in these blasts to make money. They are of the view that not only the insurance companies pay a huge amount to the owners, but the major portion of fuel is also sold by the owners to earn handsome amount. Police is investigating this claim.
Apparently it looks to be a magnet device and we are further investigating it. This might be the complicity of the drivers, the collusion of the staff also.
According to police, the drivers of the tankers escaped the scene in most of the cases, making their role dubious, while in some cases they run away from the spot, taking the engines of the tankers with them. Now, it is the job of the law enforcers to probe such incident before portraying it as an act of militants.